In the sewage treatment process, large diameter welded steel pipes play an important role. This type of steel pipe has the characteristics of high strength, wear resistance, and corrosion resistance. It is suitable for sewage transportation and is widely used in the urbanization process. The process of welding steel pipes is very important, which affects the welding quality and the service life of the pipeline. Therefore, the welding process needs to be strictly controlled to ensure that the quality of the welding meets the standard requirements through advanced welding equipment and fine welding technology. Metleader can ensure the firmness and sealing of the welded joints, avoid sewage leakage. This type of steel pipe has a large diameter and can be recycled, which greatly saves resources and is very convenient for construction and maintenance. Therefore, large diameter welded steel pipes have been widely used in sewage treatment. If you want to learn more about steel pipes, please subscribe to our channel.